So today I'm going to be talking about Nail Reserve LA. They sent over some gel polish for me to try, and I was curious because I'm not one to paint my nails. I stopped painting them when I started working as a hairstylist because my hands were always in the water and I just never started again. But prior to that, I used to love doing my nails. So I wanted to give this a go, and this isn't something I would normally do on my channel. I don't normally do nail polish, so I was definitely into this. So they sent over one of the base coats, one of the top coats, and then I selected 4 polishes. I chose black, which is Black Addict, Royal Nude, Ravishingly Naked, and Sugar Magnolia. Sugar Magnolia is easily my favorite, hands down. Obviously love a good black nail, love a good gray color nail, but Sugar Magnolia is just so beautiful and elegant. I don't know if you could tell really the color. I think you can, but you'll see in the photos that I'll have. So I have an application video that I can show you, and I have some pictures that I'm gonna talk through and tell you guys about the review. So painting my nails on camera was a little hard. I ended up doing them again after, so I left what I did on camera on for 1 week, and the ones that I did properly were awesome. The ones that I set with the light that they sent, this little light is so adorable. This little light, all of the nails that I set correctly and didn't do too thick were beautiful for the full week. I didn't have to touch my nails for 1 week. You'll see the nails that I did a bit too thick were a little more inclined to crack or break. So the second time I did them around, I didn't film this time, but the second time I filmed them around, I did them all like I did the ones that looked awesome. And it has now been, I had to check to make sure, but it's now been almost 1 week, just 1 day away, and they all look phenomenal. There's a touch of lifting on this one, but it is awesome. And to only have to do your nails once a week, I am so here for that. So you'll see in the first couple photos of the first application, the camera application, they look great. You'll see after a couple days a couple of the colors chip, and that is because of user error. I can now confirm because I have used them correctly. Thinner coats are better, and they do tell you that, so listen to the instructions. I know the photos are it's hard to focus on anything except the chip nail, but I left that because I wanted to show the progression in the older nails. I'll have photos up obviously that show the progression of time, and day one there was some chipping on the nails that I did improperly and then I didn't set correctly. But as you can see, as time goes on, the nails that I did do correctly look awesome. And now that I've done nails that are correct, I can tell you that it was not a fluke. The nails that I did in the original video were great. I look like I have huge hands right now. So regardless, I am very happy with this. I like these polishes for sure. When I first got them, they were sitting out in the snow because I'm in Canada, and so what I did was I actually put really, really hot water and let them sit in the hot water to unthicken them, and it worked really well. So I would recommend that if you're having an issue with your gel polishes thickening up. Obviously they're not supposed to be in temperatures like that, so doing that just ensured that it was a nice unthawing, so to speak. So anyway, I really hope you guys enjoy the video. I'm gonna get into the application now because I've been rambling for a while. So I hope you guys have a great day. Let's get into it. Bye. Okay, so starting it with the base coat, I didn't go through all my nails. I filmed the whole application process, but I didn't want to get like too crazy and show like every single nail. So I do all my fingers with the base coat, And then I actually went ahead and, like you saw in the photos, did each of my nails a different color so I could show you the swatches of what they look like. And this is the time frame for how long I would leave it in for. I sped it up because it is 60 seconds. I pressed the button twice for 60 seconds and I press it once for 45, I believe, and then 3 times is to turn it off. So I just set my fingers, my thumb. Now I'm going in and using black Addict. And I did 3 coats of all of the polish. And this is Ravishingly Naked, which I've had tons of compliments on, by the way. Then we have 2 fingers of Sugar Magnolia, because it is my favorite color. And I have since done a full manicure with this, and a full manicure with Ravishingly Naked. And I got so many compliments on Ravishingly Naked. People were like, where's that from? Where's that from? Loves it. And then the last one is Royal Nude. So I have since found out from my friend who is an esthetician that you have to dehydrate your nail first. So that's why I recommend using buffing your nails and then using acetone on them. She recommended that, and I will definitely be doing that. A couple of them, the ones that you saw that chipped, didn't actually set because they were so thick. So the blue one why did I say blue? The black one kind of rubbed off because it was a thicker kind of goopy, I suppose, coat that I did. I'm not sure if it was the first, second, or third coat, but regardless. So this is the second coat of each of the colors. You could stop here, but I like a very opaque coverage if I'm going to do a color. If I'm doing something like a sheer pink, I'm okay with like 1 or 2 coats. But if I'm doing a color, I like something more opaque, which is a little detrimental to me because I ended up doing them too thick. So the thumb, I believe, was one that was too thick as well too, if I'm not mistaken. And I just cleaned up around the edges with a Q-tip, and it was still not the easiest. I didn't realize how hard it was to paint your nails on camera. So like, shout out to those nail girlies who are up on like TikTok and YouTube doing nails on camera. Like, that was hard, you know? I was like getting it all over, first of all over my cuticles. And I'm like, oh my gosh, now I'm gonna go clean it up. When I did this off camera, it was like way better. It didn't look like a child did it. But anyway, this is the third coat. I wanted to show you guys all 3 of them so you could get the full idea. And then using the top coat. Top coat's always one of my favorite parts because it just gives the most beautiful shine. And yeah, I really recommend you guys go check out Nail Reserve LA. They have such a wide range of colors. I definitely want to look into getting more. I love some of their colors. Some of the pink ones, beautiful, like some hot pinks, and they have like every color you could imagine. And glitter too. Loves that. Anyways, thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.